Hello, students. Myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, I will teach you the poem Obituary composed by A.K. Ramanujan. This is my second video lecture on this poem. In my first video, I have covered the first 11 lines of this poem, and in this video I will move further. The poet writes from line number 12 to line number 26 of this poem. He writes here, being the burning type, he burned properly at the cremation as before, easily and at both ends, left his eyes coins in the ashes that didn't look one but different. Several spinal dishes, rough, some burned to coil, for sons to pick gingerly and throw, as the priest said, facing east, where three rivers met near the railway station. Difficult word meanings of these lines are: cremation means burning of the dead. Spinal disease means many small round bits of metal. Gingerly means very carefully. Priest means clergyman. Facing east means with their face towards east direction. Now it's time to explain this section of the poem. As I told you in my previous video that the poem Obituary opens with the information about the death of a person who may be the father of the poet. Then he tells us about the legacy that his father has left for his sons and his sickly grandson. In these lines, the poet wants to say that when the father of the poet himself died, he left no legacy for his sons and his sickly grandson, but daughters and debts to be repaid. Now the poet says about the cremation of his father. His father was cremated as usual, where his body was completely burnt. After burning, there was left his ashes, in which two coins that had covered his eyes, along with a number of small round bits of metal, were left. His sons picked all of them carefully, and according to the instructions of the priest, they threw them into the river at the meeting point of three rivers, as the Ganga, Jamuna and the invisible Saraswati near the railway station. Thus, poet's father left him nothing. In this way, the poet stresses the poverty of his father and his consequent suffering. And it also reveals his real love and grief. With this, it is the end of this video lecture. Thank you.